Hi guys, let's make gypsum hand with molding and casting method. Here's what you need: a bucket, measuring cup, brush, small container, molding powder, casting powder, paint, another container, and a pincers or whisk or spoon. First, put the molding powder inside the bucket. Then fill the bucket with 600 ml water and mix it with pincers. Avoid clogs. Then put your hand inside the bucket until the molding fluid becomes hard for about 5 to 8 minutes. Then try to remove it slowly by shaking it a bit. Once it is removed, get another container and fill it with 400 ml water. Put the casting powder and stir it with pincers again until it gets mixed well. Then now you can put the mixing casting to the hole of the molding inside the bucket. Don't forget to write down your name on the bucket with a permanent ink and let it dry under the sun. Once it is dried, you can put the molding and casting on another container. Remove the molding until you can see your gypsum hand already. You can smooth your gypsum hand by removing some casting that goes beyond the shape of your hand using cutter. Now you can get a paper and put the gypsum hand on top of the paper so that when you will paint it, you can just move the paper to the direction you want instead of touching the painted gypsum hand. Then put the mineral water inside the small container and mix it well with paint and start painting the hand with the color of your choices. And here is the final result of your hand. Congratulations!